What's up, guys? I'm about to publish my next book, HowExpert Guide to Cooking. It's my office for the day in downtown LA. Nice buildings. It's a beautiful spot. I'll show you. This is the US Bank right here. Okay, so let's get started. Behind the scenes, HowExpert Guide to Cooking, the ultimate handbook for cooking skills, delicious meals, and classic recipes. This is on Kindle Direct Publishing, showing you behind the scenes. I filled in all the details, the description, the categories, the keywords. Save and continue. I already uploaded the manuscript in Word doc file. You can also upload it in an EPUB file. The design, I already have it right here, but Amazon also provides a free version, Launch Cover Creator, so I'm using that one as well. But I'll show you my potential design that I got the image from Deposit Photos right here. I'm deciding between two images, this one or this one. Okay, and here's a preview of the cover. Fantastic. I'm not finished yet, but I'm deciding between these two images. Okay, but let's just say, for time purposes, I'm just going to go with the Launch Cover Creator version. Are you using AI or not? You got to answer the question. For me, this particular version of the book, I'm now using AI. Okay, next, KDP Select enrollment is if you go exclusive on Amazon. I'm not exclusive on Amazon because I like to go wide, all territories, all platforms. Royalty 70%. For the ebook to be 70%, the price has to be between $299 and $999 USD. So I set it up like that. There you go. And the last button I'll click on is the publish button right here. Now, I'm not done with design yet, but this is just a quick preview. Behind the scenes publishing, how to publish a book on Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. I'm going to save as draft. Let me move on to the next platform. This is Kobo, another great platform. Behind the scenes, I filled in all the details. Save and continue. I already uploaded the manuscript. Next. Apply DRM, digital rights management. Library price is 3 to 4 times higher. The price, I already put it in. Save and continue. And last button I'll click on is the publish button. Okay, so there you go. That's how you set it up on Kobo. Let's move on to the next platform, Google. This is Google right here. I put in the title, the subtitle, the description, the ISBN, which I purchased from myidentifiers.com, which is the official place to purchase the ISBN. I picked 5 genres. Save and continue. Contributors, put my brand name. Click continue. Settings, apply DRM, show advanced settings, show PDF, put my logo, and I'm going to put my temporary cover right now, 1 second, or my EPUB actually, I didn't put it yet, upload yet. This is the place where you put the ebook in the EPUB format or the PDF format and the cover, and Google already automatically knows. So I'm uploading the EPUB file, which is actually technically the correct file to use for Amazon Kindle. Okay, close it. Continue. I put the price, save and continue. Go to the bottom and I will click on publish right now next. Okay, so that's how you set up a book and publish on Google platform. Working on Barnes & Noble behind the scenes. Uploading the ebook. Let me move on to Apple real quick, okay? Let me submit a new book to Apple right now. Apple Books platform, using the web portal. So for Apple, you have to upload the EPUB file for the book, the sample file. I recommend do chapter 1 for EPUB, and cover design in a JPG format, okay? I'm done with that. Continue. I'm going to fill in the details, title, subtitle, author, brand name, and description. 1 second. Okay, I filled in all the details. Click on continue. Let me pick the 3 categories next. As you can see, there's a lot of categories right now. As you can see, all the way A to Z. I'm going to pick on cooking for all the core categories and pick a subcategory next. Okay. When in doubt, click general. You know, I'll pick general first, and then I'll do like maybe like courses and dishes, general, cooking. Let me see what else there are. Methods, general. Okay, that's good enough right now. And you can change and revise things later. Let me put in the details here. 1 second. I already purchased the ISBN here. Here's proof. I have over 3,000 ISBNs for hundreds of books in multiple different formats. So I'll go back to the ISBN section, click on upload book to iTunes Connect. Okay. I'm gonna pause this. For time purposes, I'm gotta go, but this is pretty much the behind the scenes for Barnes & Noble. I put the interior, the EPUB format or the Word doc, the cover, the book details, and review and publish, okay? I'm gonna end the video right now though. Pretty much that's the setup process for Apple and all the major platforms out there. Thanks for watching the video. I gotta go. Go check out this book, HowExpert Guide to Cooking, if you wanna learn how to cook. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn about self-publishing, click on the link below the video. Talk soon. I'll click on Go to iTunes Connect right here. And on the top, these are my other books that I publish because HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more. And by the way, if I refresh this over time, on the top left screen, the newest book will show up. It's not it yet. HowExpert Guide to Global Goals was the previous book. But after that, I'll just go in there and just click on, check the pricing, click on done next, and it'll be finished for Apple, okay? But I gotta go. Shout out to my designer. This is a design for right now. Thanks for watching the video. Check out this product and all topics from A to Z, all my products. Thanks for watching. HowExpert. Take care. Hold on. Show the buildings. Okay, gotta go.